Now, if we understand briefly like what AI generally means, let's look at Google AI, because Google plays a vital, important key role in this AI trend. Because Google has initially, from the first release, been a search engine. Search engine is this place that requires a lot of information and a lot of data. If you have to look at Google, for example, look at Google like a big library. An example of a library in every school. A library will contain bookshelves. Each shelf will contain different subjects of different topics, right? Now, if you belong to computer science class, you come to the library, you will see maybe 20,000 books, and you will only look for books that are related to, for example, computer science. And in computer science, if you are looking for a course, a topic explanation, like, for example, maybe object-oriented programming, you have to be looking one by one into all these computer science books until you find object-oriented programming, right? So look at Google as maybe this type of this library, and Google doesn't have books, but it has data, right? Google has this bulk of information and data. Now, Google has a library, and in it has book, and in every book has different subjects, different topics of whatever you want in this world. Whatsoever you want to ask Google today, Google has an answer for that. Except if you don't construct the English to an extent that Google will understand. So, Google as a search engine will work very boldly, and it will solve way more problems if it is using AI. Why? Because Google has already been a search engine. We have been using Google like 10 years ago or prior to that. So today, I want to ask Google, for example, about how to cook noodles. Now, if I ask Google how to cook noodles, Google will anticipate to give me 2 million to 1 billion responses to how to cook noodles, which I will continue now be going deep into it is like I go to the library and I have seen the bookshelves that are related to computer science. Now, what remains for me is I'm looking for object-oriented programming topic. I will continue going bit by bit into each of these books until I found what I'm looking for. This is where AI plays a vital and important role, because an AI connected to Google is a plus. What plus? Because the AI will now be your librarian, right? If Google is the library and it contains almost all the information you want in this world, the AI is the librarian. He knows where all the information is, right? So now, rather than you asking Google, and Google will give you like 2 million to 1 billion responses, and AI can just give you 1, 2, 3 responses that you believe will solve your response, and will solve your kind of urge and quest to know what you are wanting to. And if it doesn't solve your problem, it will still have, let me say, it will still iterate to going back to that machine learning sequence that I explained to you, and it will still learn from that fault, that failure, and it will try to look for another information that will try to make you satisfied. Even if you didn't rate the information that you are satisfied, once you didn't continue searching about that the same topic, now the AI will understand that this is a little bit helpful and it will save this. Might want it to another user next time when you ask this type of question. So